Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to AirDrop files from your iPhone to MacBook. Follow me, let's get started with the steps. In this video, I will be using AirDrop to share files from an iPhone to MacBook. To get started, navigate and turn on your AirDrop. Also turn on your Bluetooth as this needed for connection. Make sure AirDrop settings is set to everyone for 10 minutes. Once you have done this settings, it allows the device to become visible for a connection to take place. Now move to your MacBook and apply same settings as captured in your iPhone device. Turn on MacBook AirDrop, then turn on Bluetooth. This settings will allow the MacBook to become visible to other devices for connection. Identify the file you want to share, select it, then click on Share. Now, on your MacBook you will get a pop-up. Click on it and accept file transfer. Proceed to choose a file destination folder. Now, wait for transfer to complete. Now, let's confirm that this file was transferred successfully. Let's get it open. This is just a simple step to transfer files from one device to another. I will proceed to send more files to the MacBook. Since I have already established the connection, I will just send files directly. Now, you can also easily send files from your MacBook to your iPhone using same steps. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly subscribe to get updates on more videos dropping. Thank you.